Did you know that after age 60, your body loses up to 1% of muscle mass every single year? Even if you're staying active? This condition is called sarcopenia, and it silently weakens your legs, your arms, and your ability to stay independent as you age. But here's the good news. You can fight sarcopenia while you sleep, just by eating the right foods before bedtime. Today, we'll reveal the 3 powerful nighttime foods that are clinically proven to stop muscle loss, rebuild strength, and keep you moving freely well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. Stick with us until the end because the third food is one that most seniors overlook, yet it works wonders overnight. Section 1. Understanding sarcopenia and why night nutrition matters. Sarcopenia is the gradual loss of muscle, mass, and strength that happens naturally as we age. It usually starts around age 40 but accelerates after 60 due to 3 main factors: declining hormone levels, particularly growth hormone and testosterone; reduced protein synthesis. Your body becomes less efficient at turning protein into muscle; chronic inflammation and inactivity, which further break down muscle tissue. Most people focus on daytime nutrition, but research now shows that nighttime protein intake is critical because your body repairs and builds muscle while you sleep. By feeding your muscles the right nutrients before bedtime, you can boost overnight muscle repair, improve balance and strength, prevent falls and fractures, stay active and independent. So what should you eat at night to stop sarcopenia in its tracks? Let's count down the top 3 foods. Section 2. Food number 1. Casein-rich dairy, slow-digesting protein. The first muscle-saving food is casein protein, found in dairy products like cottage cheese, Greek yogurt, a glass of warm milk. Unlike whey protein, which digests quickly, casein is slow-digesting, meaning it provides a steady release of amino acids throughout the night. This helps maintain a positive muscle-protein balance while you sleep. Tip: have about 20 to 30 grams of casein protein 30 to 60 minutes before bed. This could be half a cup of cottage cheese with berries, or a cup of unsweetened Greek yogurt. Studies from Maastricht University showed that elderly participants who consumed casein before bedtime increased their muscle protein synthesis by over 20% overnight, compared to those who didn't. Section 3. Food number 2. Tryptophan-rich protein, turkey, or plant sources. The second powerful food for fighting sarcopenia is tryptophan-rich protein, commonly found in lean turkey or certain plant proteins like pumpkin seeds and tofu. Tryptophan is an essential amino acid that not only helps build muscle but also promotes better sleep by aiding melatonin production. High-quality sleep is when your body releases growth hormone, which is essential for repairing and growing muscle tissue. Bedtime snack idea: a few slices of turkey roll-ups, or a plant-based smoothie with almond milk, pumpkin seeds, and a small banana. This gives you both the building blocks for muscle and deeper sleep cycles to make that muscle repair even more effective. Section 4. Food number 3. Omega-3 rich sources, salmon, walnuts, or flaxseed oil. Finally, one of the most overlooked nutrients for preventing sarcopenia is omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon, sardines, or plant-based options such as walnuts and flaxseed oil. Omega-3s do 2 amazing things for your muscles: reduce inflammation, which often contributes to muscle breakdown with age; increase muscle sensitivity to protein, meaning your body uses the protein you eat more effectively. In one landmark study from Washington University, seniors who took omega-3 supplements alongside protein saw greater muscle growth than those on protein alone. Bedtime tip: a small snack of walnuts or a teaspoon of flaxseed oil stirred into cottage cheese. This creates the perfect anti-inflammatory, muscle-building meal to fuel overnight repair. Section 5. The nighttime muscle-building routine. To maximize muscle protection after 60, follow this night protein routine. Dinner: balanced protein-rich meal, chicken, fish, beans, or lentils. 1 hour before bed. Casein source: cottage cheese or Greek yogurt. Tryptophan protein: turkey slices or a small plant-based protein snack. Omega-3 booster: a handful of walnuts or flaxseed oil. Then, get 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep, allowing your body to rebuild, strengthen, and protect your muscle tissue overnight. Section 6. Additional lifestyle tips to stop sarcopenia. These 3 nighttime foods are powerful, but you'll see faster results when combined with resistance exercises, light weights or bodyweight workouts 3x/week, daily movement, walking, stretching, balance training, vitamin D and calcium, support bone and muscle health, hydration, prevent muscle cramps overnight, small changes in evening. Habits can mean the difference between weaker legs and independence, between frailty and a strong, confident stride. Remember, sarcopenia is not a life sentence. You can fight muscle loss even after 60, and your nighttime routine plays a key role. So tonight, give your muscles what they need: a dose of casein protein, a tryptophan-rich snack, and a sprinkle of omega-3s. Do this consistently and watch as your strength returns, your energy improves, and you wake up every morning feeling more alive. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, share this with friends or family over 60, and subscribe for more tips on healthy aging and longevity.